You know what? As old country boys, sometimes we come across pretty good deals. And one of the things that I came across was an old plow that came along with the old tractor that we bought. Well, that old plow is pretty rusty. And I need to get those plow heads off by using this blaster. You can get it from Walmart. It's supposed to be able to penetrate, as you can see, it's supposed to be able to penetrate into corroded and dusty, rusty bolts. Well, we're gonna put that to the test today. Check it out. Here's that old plow. Got a lot of work to do on this old thing. Some trash on the ground here. And if you look down there, look how corroded those bolts really are. Boy, this is gonna be some work. So let's put this sucker to the test. Blaster. Break loose faster. Penetrate catalyst. Let's try it. Spray some even on the bolts. We're gonna put it to the test. See if we can get some of this stuff going. All right, just like that. Got some more bolts off in here. What we'll do is we'll come back to see if it worked or not. Then I'll give you a good review whether to go buy this good stuff or not. Money ain't cheap. Money hard to come by. So it's good to watch these reviews. Let's see what happens. Well, the moment of truth is here. Little socket set. We're finna put it to the test. We're gonna see if this shit, blaster, penetrating, is gonna be good enough to take the rust off of that old plow over there. Stay tuned. Putting no reviews to just mouth, let's put it to the test. Well, the moment of truth is here. See if this old blaster can get that old nut off of there. Get it on there. All right, here we go. Look yonder. Well, I'll be damned. Look at that. My goodness. Well, I'll be damned. That shit been sitting there. This plow here been sitting there for about 5 years, and ain't no telling when we bought this, hell, it was old in. And it got that off of there. Got thumbs up on my end. Well, here's Dorian Sean with his final review. This shit, it works. Now that's one nasty ass boat. But it's off of it. That's all we wanted, was to get it on off. Go buy you some, because it'll do exactly what the hell you want it to do. Now get off my YouTube.